guys. Okay, so if you watched the video yesterday, I did a walkthrough on this house, and I'm back here today because we actually got the contract we wanted. Woo! So I bid this house for $350, and today I'm actually going to be doing the cleaning with my assistant, and we're going to time ourselves. And I just wanted to show you quick run through about what we're going to do, what we're going to be using, how long it's going to take us. And normally I would contract this whole thing out for $200 if I bid it $350. You can just contract the whole thing out to someone else, let it be their problem for $200, or you can get 2 employees and put them in here and pay them both by the hour to clean this unit, okay? Either way works, but our company has to profit that $150, okay? And it's not really a bad new construction clean. If you look on the floor here, you'll see light construction dust on the floor. I don't know how good you can see it or not, but it's covered in construction dust. It's not really heavy, it's real light construction dust. So we're basically gonna be doing the windows, front and back. We're gonna be wiping the dust off of the blinds. There's light dust on the walls, so we'll brush down the walls a little. There's dust on here. Everything needs to be wiped, you guys. Everything needs to be wiped. So if you've seen the video from yesterday, I did the walkthrough. Everything good wiped down. These, I'm using basic cleaning supplies, okay? I was rushing. And I just wanted to show you guys that you can do it with these basic cleaning supplies, right? I'm going to use this type of oven spray, just regular. I got this stuff from Walmart, okay? The oven isn't even that bad, okay? So being that the oven isn't even that bad, I don't even think I need a pumice stone for this, but I highly recommend you guys always keep a pumice stone with you when you're doing these type of cleans, okay? But I'm going to spray this oven down real good while I'm talking. Just let that sit, let it marinate. Whenever you do these cleans, make sure you're pulling out the appliances. Stove, refrigerator, all this stuff has to be pulled out and cleaned behind it, okay? So we're also going to be wiping down all the lights. If you can see the construction dust and stuff on there, windows, front and back, all the blinds. Look at this, take a look at this fan, you guys. So when I was talking to the lady on the phone, she was like, but everything's new. Like, why are you charging $350? Everything's new, like the fans. And I was like, no, that fan ain't, it's not new. It's caked up dirt on there. We have to actually get up there and hand wash that fan. So you have to let them know what they're getting for that price if they're trying to rebel on paying the price. That's really a solid price for this size home, $350. Or like I told you guys yesterday, you can even go up and try them with $450. It's still worth it, you know. Windows front and back, we're going to get these tracks. I'm letting you see before. Now, always make sure you get a broom and you're hitting the top ledges, because this was a construction clean. All this is fresh paint, construction dust all on the floor. We're going to clean out the utility closet. We're going to hand wash the fans, floors, closets, bathroom. Take a look at that tub, you guys. So I'm going to be taking everything out of the tub first because I don't want it to get clogged up. I don't want to just turn the water on and then all that stuff goes in there and clogs up. Now you got another mess. So I'm going to be removing all of this stuff out of the tub first. Then I'm going to clean it with some bleach, Fabuloso. I love to use vinegar cleaner as well. That's a good disinfectant clean to use. Make sure you hit your thermometer. Okay, fan, same thing. And we got another bathroom here you guys take a look at. It's covered with construction dust. It's not going to be a bad clean. Not going to be bad at all. Right. Now with 2 people, I'm estimating it'll probably take about, I'm just gonna estimate about 3 hours, 2 people. We'll see how long it's gonna take. Right now, what time is it? 10:30. I'm gonna come back to the video, we're gonna get started, and we're gonna time ourselves and see how long it takes me and my partner to get finished with this whole clean, okay? We'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so as you can see, I'm back in my car, right? I had to leave the clean. Yes, we didn't even get a chance to get finished with the clean. I actually called one of my contractors over and told them to finish the job, and then I'll go back and I'll finish up my video and let you guys see before and after or whatever. My contractor is actually a little bit more equipped than I was because I needed a step ladder for that clean. I didn't even have my step ladder because that fan needed to be hand washed, and I needed to get me some more gloves and a few other things. But I was trying to do a video today, but I got called to do another walkthrough. So on the way to do a walkthrough in the rain. Yes, yes, don't you love it? I love working in the rain. Okay, so I got called out, and not only that, but the school called me and told me that I have to come and pick up my son early from school because of the weather. So it's a lot going on. It's a lot going on. On top of that, while I was in the clean, I actually had to have I have to have my laptop with me whenever I'm inside of a unit about to do a clean, just in case somebody wants to book. I could just go to the laptop, put it in real quick, and get back to my cleaning, right? But anywho, I'm on the run again. After I finish my walkthrough. Oh, also today we also won one of our old contracts back too. So it was crazy. We got a call back from a property that let us go. What was it, about 6 months ago? I think about 6 months ago they let us go, and now they calling us back. You know, so we're most likely gonna start back doing that contract next week on Tuesday, right? So a lot of stuff going on, and sometimes my time, I don't be having time, y'all, but I be trying. But those construction cleans, I wanted to tell you, I forgot to say on my last video that you have to make sure that you're wiping down the walls or dusting down the walls, because the construction dust, it goes everywhere. So I forgot to mention the walls as well need to be dust. You got to dust them down, baby. Everything. You make sure that you touch everything in those cleans. I like to use a backpack vacuum for those type of cleans, and I also like to use a commercial flat mop whenever I'm cleaning. Okay, but as far as the chemicals that I use basic chemicals from Walmart, such as Mr. Clean, Fabuloso, Windex. I like to use the Windex with the vinegar in it, but if not that, I'll use the one in the blue can. This one here. See there? I'll use this one here. And good old oven cleaner. I use my heavy duty oven cleaner to clean, in a silver scrubby, along with a pumice stone to clean my stoves. I use a pumice stone whenever I'm cleaning my toilets out, along with some bleach, a little disinfectant clean. I love to use vinegar cleaner. I'm gonna keep saying it over and over again. Vinegar and Dawn is the best. I love to put a little bit of vinegar, a little Dawn inside of a bottle, dilute it with some water, shake it up, and use that. And you can use that on as a disinfectant cleaner, right? What else do we use? I needed a duster, one of the high dusters. I didn't have one on me, so I was like, I ain't got everything on me for that clean. So listen, I had to just call my contractor. Just come on, because I know you got it. I know you got everything. I was trying to do a video for y'all tonight, but I can't. But I couldn't. Gotta get to work. Then after I get finished doing my walkthrough, back to the office I go, okay? But I'm going to fill you guys in on after my cleaner gets finished cleaning the house. We're going to go back. We're going to do another video, okay?